Hello world. Today is April 4th, 2025. It's Friday and it's 1:18 p.m. and this is another vlog. This is my setup. These vlogs are a 10-minute raw, unedited talk about what is top of mind. And I am a digital nomad, developer, indie hacker, entrepreneur, living in Ho Chi Minh City, aka Saigon, Vietnam. And for the next 10 minutes, I will give an update. And I do these almost every day as a public journal and an exploration, a documentation of this life. And the premise is that the present moment, a human being alive in the present moment, is infinitely interesting, amazing, profound, as everybody has the whole universe inside of them. And this is consciousness of a human being is a spark of a divine spark. So just capturing a person talking about what is important to them at the time is just can be infinitely amazing and interesting. So today is day number 4 of recovering from ankle injury, sprained ankle from a motorbike accident, and I'm working on a mobile app for converting photos into an anime in the viral Ghibli style. So I'm using Expo and React Native, and right now I'm configuring it, setting it up on the simulator of the iPhone simulator, and using authentication with Gmail and Google and Apple. So my big goal is to get it out there today on the App Store. So at least submit it to the App Store review today. I have been reflecting on the last couple months, building a Manifestly app, which is like an all-in-one app. And now I think the big lesson is that you have to be very focused on connecting with the audience, with the client, and be very focused about providing some value that's very clear value proposition and direct and easy to communicate, and finding distribution, meaning finding a way to get it out there in front of people. So this means like being in front of I wish that this Apple Watch could just like have a button for it to go to sleep, but apparently it does not have a way for it to just go to sleep, which is kind of annoying. So right now this is a big kind of breakthrough and lesson, and that the truth is that like if you are just heads down building for too long and not connecting with the audience, with the client, talking to them, then there is something really wrong and you're not really progressing. So the key insight is that you have to be have a very clear value proposition and communicate it to the user. And that means like creating social media content like Reels and TikToks that just show very simply, hey, this is what this app does, and this is what it can do for you, and here's where you can download it. And getting this out there, like this is the distribution path. So first, just have a social media account, a TikTok, a Instagram, and create these reels and communicate a very clear value proposition, like you're solving some problem or you're providing some service. So here in this example, we are building take any photo, convert it to an anime, and then you are good to go, able to download it. And this is taps into a current trend of the Ghibli style anime. And so my key focus right now is to build this and get it out there, and then be able to create these reels, these TikToks, and show people that they can convert their photos into anime, and then they are able to post them to their social media. So this is something that is very useful for content creators and influencers to create these anime images. So this is the value proposition, to create this anime images, these anime images that are really, really cool. Like that, they allow you to share your image, your personal life, your situation, wherever you are, but perhaps without revealing too much information. So it's also like a filter that allows you to just communicate like the general idea. This is what you look like. This is your kind of vibe. This is where you are. These kinds of surroundings, but not really expose all of the raw photo of yourself and your workplace maybe, or whatever, wherever you are. So this is like really valuable, and I predict that this kind of app, this kind of service of turning your photos into anime will continue to grow, and it's not going to stop here with this Ghibli style images trend that was started by OpenAI and GPT-4 Vision. So I see this as just growing and growing, and then there's so much room for expansion beyond this into like creating short videos from your photos, adding more styles, like different anime styles like One Piece or Simpsons or Cowboy Bebop or there's so many other animes that are very cool. And then like add more features, like appear actually in a scene of an anime, and then create a short 30-second anime featuring yourself, and then create a longer anime that's like 60 seconds, and then create a whole story arc, and then create a whole brand, a whole channel that can consistently create these anime scenes featuring yourself or whatever kind of AI influencer or whatever kind of character you want to invent. And this is like, and then that can really expand. So this just start with one very simple use case, and then you see that there's so much potential here for it to grow and expand. So this is really the strategy right now, and I'm really excited about this. And then another thing is like you can just post directly to your TikTok accounts or your Instagram account from within the app, so that can save people more time, and then you can expand to allowing people to grow their following through this style. So thank you for watching. I will end it here, this vlog about my update about my app that is called Ava Creator. And I, as always, end the vlog with a couple seconds of sending peace and love vibrations to you, the listener, and to the world. Thank you for watching, and yes, just thinking good thoughts and intentions and frequencies and vibrations does have an impact on the universe. So just thinking good thoughts, you're changing the world. Every single second matters. Every single thought matters. So thank you for watching, and signing off here.